Welcome to this module in this course. I'm going to say it right away, this module is optional. If you already know next generation JavaScript, so things like arrow functions, let, const, and so on, you may very well skip this module. This module is for you if you know JavaScript but haven't worked with ES6 or any other version of JavaScript. Then JavaScript as we use it in this course might sometimes look like a new language to you because of all the next generation features React apps typically use. Now I'm not using these next generation features because I want to show off or anything like that. React apps typically are built with the latest version of JavaScript, and using the next gen features allows us to write clean and robust React apps. React itself uses a lot of next generation JavaScript features. Therefore, it's important for you to understand all these features and not be confused by this sometimes really strange looking version of JavaScript. JavaScript is evolving quickly, and therefore new features can look different, but really allow us as a developer to do more powerful things. This module is for you. I will walk you through the core features we use in this course so that the code thereafter hopefully looks a bit less strange to you. And again, feel free to skip this module if you already know it. Feel free to always come back to it if you later in the course encounter something that looks strange to you.